Welcome back to Griebenouw bee farming. If you've made it this far in the series, you probably have your hive ready and you've arranged to get your first bees.
Installing your first bees is a huge milestone in your beekeeping journey. The key things to remember are preparing your hive before the bees arrive, moving calmly and carefully, introducing the queen properly, providing food if needed, and giving the colony time to settle.
Now comes one of the most exciting moments in beekeeping, installing your bees into their first home. But if this is your first time, it can also feel a bit intimidating. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide to install bees into your hive, how to introduce a queen properly, when and how to feed your new colony, and the common mistakes beginners make during the first week. Let's get started.
Oh hey, quick question. If you're serious about getting into beekeeping, are you actually using the right equipment? Because here's the thing, the difference between a struggling hive and a thriving one often comes down to what's in your hands. And that's exactly why we created our online shop. Everything you see us using here, from starter kits to tools, is the same gear we trust in our own apiary. No guesswork, no cheap shortcuts. Just equipment that works in real South African conditions. So if you're ready to stop watching and actually start keeping bees, click the link below and check out our shop right now. Get your gear, get your bees, and let's build something amazing together.
Before your bees arrive, your hive should already be prepared and in its final location. Make sure you have your first stand set up, the bottom board and brood box in place, frames properly spaced inside the hive, the inner cover and roof ready. You should also have your protective gear, hive tool and smoker ready before opening the bees. Preparation is important because once the bees arrive, you want the process to be quick and calm. When working with bees, your behavior makes a big difference. Move slow and deliberately. Avoid sudden movements, loud noises, or shaking the frames too hard. Most bees are surprisingly calm during installation, especially if they've been transported recently. A small amount of smoke at the entrance can help the colony relax. If you've purchased a nucleus colony, the process is fairly simple. Open your hive and remove a few empty frames to create space. Then carefully take each frame from the nuke box and place it into the same order inside your hive. This is important because the colony has already organized their brood nest. The frames will usually contain brood, honey stores, pollen, and thousands of worker bees. Once all frames are transferred, fill the remaining space with the empty frames and close the hive. Just like that, your bees are officially installed into their new home. Sometimes you may install bees that do not yet have a queen, or you may need to introduce a new queen to the colony. This is not always recommended in South Africa, and I always suggest talking to a specialist at your local beekeeping association for advice and assistance. Queens are usually supplied in small queen cages with a candy plug. Do not release the queen immediately. Instead, place the cage between two brood frames with a candy end facing slightly upwards. Over the next few days, the worker bees will eat through the candy plug and release the queen naturally. This slow introduction helps the colony accept the new queen safely. After installation, feeding your bees can help them settle in and start building comb. Many beekeepers feed a simple sugar syrup, especially if there is limited nectar flow, the colony is small, or the bees need to draw new comb. Feeding can help the colony build strength quickly during the first few weeks. However, if there is already strong natural forage, feeding may not always be necessary. One of the biggest beginner mistakes is checking the hive too often. After installation, try to leave the colony undisturbed for about a week. This gives the bees time to organize the hive, start building comb, allow the queen to begin laying eggs. Constantly opening the hive during the first few days can stress the colony. Patience is also one of the most important skills in beekeeping. Let's quickly go through a few mistakes beginners often make. Opening the hive too often. Bees need time to settle. Crushing bees during installation. Always move frames slowly and carefully. Forgetting to check the queen acceptance. If you've introduced a queen, check after a few days to make sure that she was released. Not providing food when forage is low. A struggling colony may need temporary support. Avoiding these mistakes can help your colony get off to a strong start. Installing your first bees is a huge milestone in your beekeeping journey. The key things to remember are preparing your hive before the bees arrive, moving calmly and carefully, introducing the queen properly, providing food if needed, and giving the colony time to settle. Before long, your hive will become a busy, thriving colony. If you found this video helpful, please like the video. It really helps the channel reach more new beekeepers. And if you're starting your first hive soon, let me know in the comments when you are planning to install your bees or if you are looking to catch your swarm. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy beekeeping.